Something by the Beatles, just an amazing song, absolutely wonderful song. There isn't really a piano part in the song. There is like some piano playing, but it's not like a part, like back in the USSR or something like that. So this is one of those songs that you can kind of use your own imagination, no pun intended, to interpret it. The reason why I voice the chords the way that I voice the chords is because a lot of times I like to play the vocal melody in my right hand with my pinky. So I'm like, something in the way she moves attracts me like no other. Right? Now you don't have to do that, but this kind of will set you up to be able to do that if you want to. So let's get into it. There's only 3 parts to this song. There's the tag, there's the verse, and then there's the chorus, or you could call the chorus kind of like a bridge, whatever you want to call it. So let's pick those apart. The tag is this part. Okay, so that's just an F major to an E flat to a G. And now as far as voicing, I'll either play it in my left hand as root position F, E flat root position, G in second inversion, and then it lands on a C. Sometimes I'll throw the 5 in there as well. So F, E flat, G, C, and other times I'll just play the roots down low. Either one is fine. In our right hand, we have this melody. A, C, A, B flat, B, C. And now when we get to that C, that's going to be the top note of a C first inversion. So if you put that together, you've got one more time. Or with the roots. Okay, now we're on to the verse. The verse is pretty easy. We've got C major, first inversion. Then we walk that C on top down to a B. This gives us a C major 7. Then it walks down again to a B flat, which gives us a C7 dominant. And then we're going to go to an F major. And then there's a little passing chord, a little passing note here of an E, and that brings us to a D dominant, D7. I'm playing this rootless, so that's D in my left hand, C, F sharp, A. And then 2, 3, 4, and that'll bring us to a G. I'm playing this in second inversion. Okay, so one more time, we've got C, 4 of those, C major 7, C7, to an F, to a D7, to a G. And here, it's a really scary looking set of chords, but it's honestly really easy. You just think about it as an A minor, this is first inversion, A minor, and all that happens is this A note walks down chromatically. Now, what we have to name those chords is pretty scary looking. It's an A minor. I call this a C augmented over G sharp, or you could just call it an A flat augmented. Totally doesn't matter. And then a C over G. But really, just think about it as A minor with that A walking down chromatically back to our D7, and then the tag. So if you put that together, you've got something in the way she moves attracts me like no other. does the whole verse again. Everything's the same, except at the very end, we go to this second ending for the tag, which is A major. Okay, and now we're on to the bridge, and the bridge is in a new key. We're in the key of A major now. And again, we've got a really kind of simple thing going on, like as far as our hands. It's very easy to play, but what we name these chords is kind of complicated, just because that's how music theory works sometimes. It's just an A major chord. I'm playing in second inversion here. And then this A note in both hands walks down to the G sharp. And this next chord, we're going to walk that note in the left hand down to F sharp. And we're going to go back to just this A major shape in our right hand. And then that left hand is going to walk down to E. So left hand is A, G sharp, F sharp, E. My right hand is just A major second inversion. This is a C sharp first inversion. And then back to an A major again, back to an A major again. Put it together, it gives you A major. This is like a C sharp over G sharp. This is an F sharp minor 7, and this is an A over E. Okay, one more time. You're asking me where my love goes. And we're going to go to a D. Let's play it in first inversion. And then G, root position. And then a chromatic walk down from A to E. Again, that's A, walking chromatically, and then back to where we started, A, second inversion, C sharp minor over G sharp, F sharp minor 7, A over E, D, G. Now this second walk down starts on C, and it goes C, B, A, G. We skip F, E, D. Land on C, which will bring us back to the verse. Okay, so the whole bridge again. You're asking me where my love goes. I don't know. Stick around and it may show. Back to the verse for the guitar solo. And that is all of the parts. The structure of the song, it'll do another verse, and then it will do a fake tag, like we're going to go back to the chorus, and it doesn't. It just goes, then A, and then the tag again. So, kind of makes me want to call that chorus more of like a bridge, because you only go there once. And those are all the parts.